Hey rosebuds, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, let it not be your last time. So today I'm in my yard, and today I just haven't had like fry fish in a long while. And you know, we Jamaicans will love fry fish. So I decided to fry some fish. So I'm using my cold pot because I don't like to fry the fish inside. And should be known, I was totally out of coal. I just had few little pieces, and then I just took up some twigs in the yard that I could find and just make a wood fire. So let me show you what I have going. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my coal pot, and I have some wood underneath, and then I have my pot with my oil. I think it should be hot by now, so it's very windy today, very windy, but I'm gonna try and see if I can put the first fish in here because the oil look really hot. Okay, so I have my little makeshift stuff here. I want to set up a little table and stuff in the future, you know, but for now I just use my mango tree, act like a little, you know, little makeshift thing. So this is my fish. I have a yellowtail snapper, and this, I think this is a silvertail snapper. So this is my fish. I've already seasoned them. I've already seasoned my fish. So I'm gonna try and see if I can put it in the oil now. So I think the oil is super hot now, so don't want to burn myself. Alright. So I'm trying not to burn myself. So that's the first fish, and it's not gone totally in the pot yet. So I'm gonna put the other one in there now. Alright, so two gone, one more. Hopefully this can hold in the pot. Alright, those buds guys, so this is my fish and my wooden fire. Okay, so this is a makeshift, so this is what it looks like. Super packed. So guys, here's my fried fish. How they turned out. So I'm going to show you. I'm making some escabeche. So I have my onion, I have a little thyme, pimento seed. I'm just lightly frying it up. So I'm gonna add a little vinegar to this, and then I'm going to put some okra in there and make a escabeche sauce. And then I'll show you the final product. I also have a roast breadfruit that I'm roasting on the fire, so I'm gonna be having that as well with the fried fish. Yeah, see you in a bit.